Hello everyone, first we're gonna take some hair from both of the sides and then with using our finger we're gonna make a knot like this. Then we're gonna keep on adding some hair from both of the sides like this and making a braid. When this is ready, we are going to complete the hairstyle by joining them together with the help of any rubber band or clip, and now you can see your beautiful yet simple hairstyle is ready and looks so good. Next, we are going to take all of the hair with using two hair strands. We're going to make a knot like this and then keeping them together. Then we're going to wrap the hair on this ponytail like this till the end. And now you can see your simple easy hairstyle is ready. You can add any clip as per your choice. Next, we're going to grab hair from one side and then making a cavity and adding more strands of hair. Then we're going to repeat the same step again and again and making this pattern. After it is ready, we're going to repeat this step with the other side as well and joining them at the back. Next, we're going to take some hair from one side, making 3 braids at each side, then joining them together at the back following this pattern. Now you can see it is ready. Next, we are going to take some hair from both the sides, adding a rubber band and then repeating the same step 2 more times. Then we're going to loosen the hair, and with the rest of the hair, we're going to make a braid, and now you are good to go. You can make it a bun or keep it as it is. Next, we're going to take all of the hair, dividing them into 2 and then folding them out like this. After they are ready, we are going to take it and then expand it like this. And then at last, we're going to fold it out into a simple low shape bun and adding this clip for securing it. Next, we're going to take all of the hair and then making a high ponytail with that, dividing it into 4 parts, and then we're going to start making a braid like this. When it's ready, you can secure it with any rubber band and add any accessories as per your choice. Next, we're going to take hair from one side and then we're going to keep on adding some strands of hair into this braid and keep on making it. And now your simple hairstyle is ready. Next, we are going to take all of the hair and then dividing them into 2. Then simply we're going to twist it out and then folding it into a simple low shape bun and then adding this clip for securing the hair and adding these clutchers. Next, we're going to take a high ponytail, dividing it into 2, then twisting the hair out into each other like this. Now we are going to add a rubber band and it's ready. Next, we're going to grab some hair from both the sides, adding a rubber band, adding another rubber band at the bottom and folding it out, making this beautiful hairstyle by adding this bun at the last.